Hello and welcome to Puzzle Masters product review. Today we will be taking a closer look at the Fritz Flop puzzle. This puzzle was designed by Dr. Volker Latusek from Germany and made by Pelikan in Czech Republic with absolutely fantastic quality. The Fritz Flop puzzle was made from downy birch wood. Difficulty level of this puzzle is 8 out of 10 on a Puzzle Masters difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the goal of the puzzle is to put all parts inside the frame in such a way that there will be no sticking out parts and all parts will be inside the frame. This puzzle is quite challenging since it requires some tricky rotations which you have to find, and not only the rotations, but you have to find the correct assembling, how to put parts inside the frame. Right now, as you can see, there is one voxel sticking out from the frame, so you have to remove all the parts from the frame, which is not easy to do. Usually Dr. Volker Latusek pays a lot of attention even to the shipping assembling of the puzzle, and it is quite tricky to remove parts from the box. You have to remove these three, they are easy to remove, then you have to rotate this part a couple of times in order to remove it, and then you can remove the last piece. As you can see, this puzzle has only 5 parts, but altogether they will fill the entire box. But there is a trick here. The opening is only a half of the box, so it is not 2 voxels wide, it is 1 with a half voxel high. You can easily put something big here like this L-shaped piece, it goes inside easily, but if you want to put it this way, it is not possible. The only way to put it flat is to kind of rotate it inside. But when there are 3-4 puzzle parts inside, it is almost impossible to put this one. So you have to find the correct way how to assemble the parts first and then how to put all of them inside of this tricky frame. The Fritz Flop is a part of Flop puzzle series from Dr. Volker Latusek. There are Soma Flop, Dick Flop, Tetra Flop and Fritz Flop. All puzzles are different, they have different solutions with their own unique moves. If you like the Fritz Flop puzzle and you want to buy it or you want to try some other puzzles from the Flop series, go to puzzlemaster.ca. Thank you for watching, see you next time.